In this video, I'll show you some of the best and amazing Android launchers. So welcome guys and girls to my top 10 launchers of 2017. So number 1 is Zero F, a launcher kind of a new guy on the scene, and what's so interesting about this and what makes it especially relevant in today's age of increasing the size of smartphones is that it's perfectly usable with one hand. No matter the size of screen on your smartphone, everything can be done with one hand. It makes a lot of sense the way to position things. Everything is just one swipe away. It's convenient, fast, and quite refreshing. Then we have Smart Launcher 3, one of the more optimized ecosystems available on Android Play Store. Its low resource requirements saves RAM, saves a lot of battery, and it's got a nice material design. You centrally pick 6 applications that you use the most, and those are instantly accessible with one click. Unfortunately for the rest that you don't select, they are a little bit harder to get to it. It can take up to 4 clicks to get to the applications you want. It's a little bit difficult sometimes to use with one hand. We also have pretty handy search feature on top that searches everything from the application to your settings to your messages. Next step is Nano Launcher, and this is a high performance launcher and has the ability to turn a high performance mode to it. Being a little bit more resource intensive and being able to do things like killing your background apps speaks performance. And it really works. This thing flies through even on slower smartphones, but unfortunately seems a little bit more battery than its alternatives. A nice touch swiping to the left gives you almost summary of everything going on your smartphone, which you can customize quite easily. So the next we've got is Nano Launcher. It's a very good base, it's optimized, it's fast, it's fluid, and it works with all Android smartphones and all icon packs. It's highly compatible and also highly customizable. It doesn't quite have the flexibility of launchers like Total Launcher, which we'll get onto a bit. But just the fact that it works with everything, you can pretty much create a look you want. You can spend a lot of time in settings here, tweaking everything from page transitions to a way that apps opens. The next we've got is Zen UI, one of the highest rated launchers on the entire Play Store. And when you start using it, you'll realize that why it's fast, fluid and stable, but also hides a lot of interesting customization features. It's very heavy on themes and they tend to embody a lightly more playful art style. So it's not exactly going to help you achieve that pure minimalist industrial look, but you can achieve a lot of other things. So the next one is Lens Launcher, a very interesting concept which feels a little bit half-baked, but it's still great on the innovation front. Every single application is just set out in a giant grid and then you simply hold your finger over and let it go. When you're holding on the top of an app, it will open the app and clearly this is limited. There's no access to widgets, no search bar, but it's a novel way of doing things and in some senses lets you get to what you want faster than other launchers. The next we have got is the Nano Launcher. The real emphasis here is being not only a clean launcher but also a very light one. Everything about it feels very light and airy, and if that's the kind of thing we're trying to go for, there's no better launcher than this. It automatically sorts of applications, removes the labels and give it a clean look. Unfortunately, it's slightly let down by a little bit of advertising that goes on here and there. So that were the top launchers of 2017 so far. I really have enjoyed the video, and if you could be sure to smash that subscribe button, it would really help me out.